The Healthcare Carbon Lab really is an evolution research that I and others have been undertaking for the last 15 years in sustainable healthcare. Healthcare itself in Australia is about 7% of the total carbon emissions of Australians. It's big, and we need to change it, and we can. The Healthcare Carbon Lab is an initiative between Western Health and the University of Melbourne. It involves engineers, it involves clinicians to really start to measure what our carbon and other footprints are in healthcare. But we really want to supercharge it and make it much more systematic. We're going to be measuring things across the operating room, intensive care, general wards and beyond, both at Western Health and all of the hospitals and healthcare institutions associated with the University of Melbourne. We've been looking at ways to actually extend the use of gowns. It's still an experimental phase, and I think that's part of the interesting journey that we're going on. So what we've got so far at Western Health is we've replaced a lot of disposable gowns with reusable gowns. What we have to work with infection prevention is to try and see how can we extend the use of a gown and experiment and see, is there a way of doing that safely, saving money, saving on resources. It's really important because healthcare has to do its part, just like all the parts of society, to move towards net zero. The Healthcare Carbon Lab will start to measure things. So imagine a syringe, it has a mass, it comes from somewhere, and it's made of something. We will be able to work out what all those things are and work through many, many thousands of other things that we as clinicians use every day to start to build a library of stuff. From that, other clinicians, and we hope around the world, because we want to engage with everyone who's in healthcare, will be able to say, oh, okay, I'm starting to get an idea of what my footprint is every day. And maybe then I can change it. So there's an enormous opportunity to work together globally to change this system.